Want natural makeup that you've made yourself?
In this video, we're going to teach you how to make a pink tint for your eyes and your cheeks using all natural products that you can get in your Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box.
Let's check it out.
From your recipe box, you'll want to grab your recipe card, labels, your mica powder, and we're actually not going to use any essential oils with this recipe because it's best not to use essential oils around your eyes.
And from your big bonus box, you are going to grab your solid coconut oil, and from your kitchen, arrowroot powder or cornstarch.
Let's get started.
So I'm gonna grab a teaspoon of coconut oil.
And we're gonna take a hand mixer to whip it up and soften it. We're gonna keep it in its solid form, just whipping it up until it's nice and soft. It looks like there's not much there, but it is going to give you a nice amount of eyeshadow and cheek tint. So next we're going to add our cornstarch or arrowroot powder, depending on what you have in your home, and our mica powder. The amount we're going to use is going to make a raspberry type colored tint.
Right, now we're gonna mix it together.
So we put our eye and cheek tint in this adorable 1 ounce container. You can use a 1/2 ounce or a 1/3 ounce container as well that will fit this recipe. And to use it, you clean your hands and apply it to your eyes and or cheeks. I love the way the mica powder makes a vibrant shade. I'll show you on my arm. Ooh, isn't it pretty?
It's super pretty.
For more recipes just like this one, go to simplyearth.com/box.
Thanks for checking out this recipe. We know you'll just love it.
To learn more about essential oils, Simply Earth is your go-to place.
See you later. It was the fastest way to do it.